Hello techies, I'm Divya here. On behalf of CyberBrainer, don't you think the world of tech is evolving faster than ever? Now is the perfect time to dive in and build the skills that will take you places. With CyberBrainer, we are putting you in the driver's seat of your own future. We at CyberBrainer don't just teach your interest. We believe that knowledge is power, but it's applied knowledge that truly sets you apart. Whether you're diving into data science, mastering artificial intelligence, or exploring the world of cybersecurity, our courses are designed to give you the skills that matter. So let's jump into the session and make the future yours today. Thank you.
There are two ways of posting. There's one task, post job, or the second method is to go on your job rep and post it from there. Just open the job rep. That would be fine. Thank you. No, you don't put rec like this. Just cancel it out if it is not visible and just search it from your side panel. Can. Leftmost 4. 3 buttons are there now. Second button. Click there. And show all just beside hiring manager. These are the ones. Any one of it. Mine was 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. But this was happening with previous batch also. They were not able to see. You have created all this by Logan's account only, right? And can you quickly create it right now from Logan's account? I cannot see any data. Even when you're creating the job, like now, you can select Create New Position. Along with that, it could be created. I think the system got refreshed. And that's the number. Popping I can do more slowly. I don't see the option to create position here. You have selected position management, right? When you were creating the job, which option you chose, like create new position or existing? Create new position. Automatically it would be created. There would be a BP which will trigger. Here you won't see any option for position details. But we always have to have position before we create a job. Ref right. It's a best practice. Director fine. I want to choose this one. I created company call center, everything. Same name. At least this one happened. These are not mandatory growth share position. No, nothing is mandatory. In the job break. No, the hiring like take place at the bog only. Always acquisition. Same thing. They do acquire talent acquisition team, like they are more part of the hiring. Talent acquisition is little bit different than the recruiters. Even though they are confused, recruiters are only responsible for what we are doing right now. But talent acquisition, look into the higher BPs also onboarding all those things. We're still fine. Should I go back and fix that? It's it's only an alert. Click on submit. Now the job break. BP has good view details and click on details and process. There's a process definition error. Just click on overall process. Once this overall process, a blue link. Click here. Event was automatically generated. Can you show me a job break BP once? Oh, should I go for my organization? No, you have to type in BP colon job break. For alpha, I think first one. Oh, it has 3 errors. That is the reason we got the process error. This definition is missing for the sub-process configured in the template. Substeps are out of order. Order thing you'll be able to do. The first one says in the job break BP, you might have included proposed compensation related step, right? Yes, I did. That is a sub-process. We also need to look into the sub-processes as well. And it says that we should have a step called request requisition compensation. And that's a process. Like it is worked, they delivered functionality that it should be definitely included. Please clear out these error ones. The sequence here. Sequence, just super sequence. What are the sequence requirements? Click on it. Errors again. The last one should be the post job. I remember in create position, these two are the mandatory. Request requisition compensation. Just make step C as the completion step. That's it. Cross it. That's all right. Just hover over the magnifying glass for the C step. Click here. P and go to the second last option set as completion. No, just one error is there and the proposed com BP should be created. This definitely missing action. Request requisition. Or another thing could be that you can remove the step if you don't want extra work. Cross it, scroll down. We don't have the rec. This comp we don't have. We have to add that stuff. I think we need to add it. Has it? Let me get it. The definition here. I can move this step. It's just seeing something. Oh no. It doesn't have an issue. Just add other action step at the bottom. Click on plus sign. Scroll right. Click on actions. Action. Go to specify and see this one. And I would suggest make it as the second last step. Beauty group is maybe manager because we signed the manager. Automatically should go down. Click on. No, it will not automatically go. You have to change the order again. Keep it D, the first one D, and the post job as E. Make it as D and the post job step as E. Click on. Now again, you have to create a job. A partner. Have you assigned it to somebody? No, I think. Lincoln was looking as owner manager and hierarchy owner HR partner. I have to assign her again. Look out for HR partner also. These things for your implementation project also, like you have to assign the role first and then create a contract. Otherwise, these steps will go on aside. Just check once your job application, like if there's anything other than the security groups. I feel they won't be, but still the search for job application VP for yours view dynamic to finish. Scroll down. Here we have recruiters only phone screen. I think they would be saying just scroll down. Scroll down for these higher VP. We have security groups. That is fine. One of them is there. No need to worry. Now create your job and the post job VP. The default definition would be fetched. If you want to create a job, that will also be fine. This is the embedded analytics window. For the create job, like it is done at the system level. And I think these are the, for we have this box over here, the organization and the accounts like the number of openings for those organizations. That is how it is. If you'll click on any one of the number, no, click on it. Here are all the positions open. Just quickly. Great job. Target hire date. Also, thank one more thing. We always have to have one step, Marcus completion step. Not for create job rec task, but at the end, if you're not for learning, definitely you'll get the error. But we have certain tasks. Like for example, the job application only involved in, we cannot move on to the next step if we have not completed the first one. We have not filled in the primary details of ourselves as a candidate work. They will not allow us to move forward. Resign. Reassign. That is because you have not assigned somebody. Click on Reassign Task. And it would be very cumbersome. What is the step? What is the business process? Can you filter it out? Not from here. From here. Just type in your BP this alpha, I think. Just type in the search bar resign. Second option. Just remove and no. Reassign tasks for business process type. You can mention job rec. Click on. You have to select a scroller. Reassign tasks for vocal. Click on Reassign unassigned tasks. Third option. Click on that checkbox radio button. Click on. Yeah, what is your P? P. I think last one note. Reassign it to Logan. Click here. And click on. Now just check in the inbox of Logan. If she has got any. Yes, she got. Click on approve. Then again reassign has come. Click on reassign. Or just go back to the inbox of Logan again. Again you have to go to reassign steps. And now you will have compensation change process type. This happens in our projects very often. We should be aware about delegation and reassignment. And this is, as you can see, very compulsive tasks. We have to go again and do. That's why we make sure that we are assigning the people to the roles. It should be my imagination, but honestly our pumps. No, we have to search for requisition. Can select and search for that type. No, this is the job requisition, how it looks like. We'll see how our candidate comes into this job. First, we need to complete our job application and job rep. Just reassign again. Now search for. I think requisition was the business process type. The job. No. In the job rep, we got the message that the assigned step is for requisition change. In the business process type, just type in requisition change. Type in change also. Third one. And just select third radio button. And we cannot see it for us. Cancel. Open reassign again or just type in, this time the third radio button, and will filter out with your support name. Third option, click on. Now part of just filter out on part of column with alpha. On the business process, type in alpha with the filter. Business process column. Can set. Go to the inbox of Logan once again. I think it's on the task. What does requisition compensation change? This is some outdated. These are not a new one. It includes list of all the current unassigned tasks. No, just type in business process here and alpha search here. Just see if requisition compensation is a sub-process. Maybe that has triggered and it went unassigned. What you need to do, go to your support. And just type in request compensation change here. If it is there. No, I think it was requisition compensation change. These are the options. Just select to request compensation change. First one. Copy existing definition. This is a sub-process, right? This is a request form. The sub-process that scroll down and don't select anything. Remove all steps. Clicker. Now we have to go into the inbox of Logan. And from here, just those second last, I can just be at the top. At the top, second last. I can say no just on the left. Click here. Click here. Correct. You cannot cancel it. You cannot reassign. Click on reassign. It is not coming. Let me search. By date, it should come at top. Requisition, change type in that. Is anyone offered for us? Click on it. We are not able to get that option here. What do you need to do? You need to open the reassign task and search for this BP requisition compensation change. Now we do a recent steps. What is it? From here the task. Should I type? Was it request or requisition compensation? That's a look. Cancel it and you can just see it. Reposition compensation change. Reposition not request. Same thing is coming. Or just don't type anything here. Just remove it. Click. And here business process type. No, just putting your job rec ID. Few. Now she'll get approved. No open. You're going to post the job. Open job posting site. External. Actually, we won't be able to see the opening, but it's just post it on external, internal both. We'll be able to multi-select here. First select the category. External news and alpha external career site which you have created and go back and also post it internally. Now first one click on. This is the last step. That got completed. Then it triggered. Then we will now post your BP is getting triggered. Click on review. Proof. This is the last step of post job. Now just open your job. You can go to archive and from there select them into whatever. Click on job posting, the last tab. Also overview is there. Click on that URL for external career site. Not your picking. No external posting. ORL column over there. The URL has created no external. Click on it. This is the Workday issue. No worries. We'll go to the Find Job report. It's for, I think there are in 53. You need to type in director or something. This one is it. Click on it, director. Click on apply. Scroll down. These are the details you are mentioning. Scroll down. I think what Workday is doing, it is just taking in all the details from the last application of the training tenant. These are all the job application details which, if you were applying on external career site now, you'll be filling. Scroll up. Scroll at the top. Company name is this, title is this. If you scroll down company, whatever was coming up, no, just put that. I forgot what was that. Let me see anything you can put. Click on submit. Now view details. Now open your job requisition. I think you just need to refresh the tab which is there. Refresh it. We'll see. Go. You want to go back. You've opened the job like whatever way you want. Let's go. I can do this way. Right. This is the opening. This is the opening. This is the opening on the Find Job report, but we have to open the job rec. It would be in the admin view. It would have implementers view. Now you'll be able to see one candidate and review. Click on the Candidates tab. Scroll. This would have led to triggering of review BP. You can see that it is awaiting your action. If you'll see, no review button is coming and awaiting me. Just click on review. Click on that button review. Scroll down. This is another way of seeing the task, or you can go into the inbox item also of Logan. Go to Logan's inbox item. It is not coming here. Go back. Go back. Go to candidate again. Scroll down. Click on review again. Here also you can like, she has a lot of active job applications. Just click on Actions for the first job application record. Note. Now move the candidate. Move forward. You have next possible steps over here coming up from review stage. You can move into phone screen assessment one by one, then interview, then offer, then hire. Now do this testing on your own. You would be click on phone screen once. Click on. At the bottom. Now the screen BP has triggered. Click on. Now the person is also in this screen, grid of the job requisition. You can see. Just open the screen. Click on Actions again. In screen BP we only had one step. That's the reason. Now you can have assessment. Whenever we skip any business process, then the process got stuck. We can move the candidate to the next step. If we skip any process, and almost the time the recruiter complained that they are not able to move the candidate to next stages because they miss or skip any task in the process. That is because their BP is not yet completed. That is the reason. They have to check if there's any inbox item still pending. Click Review. Now, this is one of the steps of the assessment, BP. Take assessment. This needed integration. That's why I think it will not trigger. Take assessment. Like, either we have to attach assessment or either it will navigate us to some other window. That is how definitely it needs integration. That's why it's got stuck. Better would be to skip the assessment step and move on to offer somewhere else. Should we cancel or? I think will not work. Just click anywhere here. When this create out now close. Wait. Click on Take Assessment. It's not allowing, it's not going anywhere. Just click on. What's the error? Oh, click on. And cancel. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.